Look what I've got in my hands. I've got the new iPhone 16 Pro Max. This is the largest iPhone ever. It's slightly larger than the previous editions, though you really can't tell. It feels just about the same. And the big news is the camera control features, which I just pressed right here and turn on the camera. So it's very quickly, you could turn the camera on. You could do also other things. You could also do other things in AI. You could walk down the street, capture a poster for a concert. The concert will immediately be added to your calendar. You could take a picture of a dog, gets the breed who you got of the dog. You have a higher resolution ultra-wide camera, which is big news. Great news for me. But I think the biggest news at the Apple event was turning the AirPods into a hearing aid. Okay, I can't wait to try that out.
There will be a slightly larger edition of the Apple Watch. And back to the iPhone, you can now shoot video in ultra-high resolution, 120 frames per second, slow motion. What does that mean to the average person? Well, your slow-mo can look cooler than ever, and you can fine-tune it after the fact to different speeds of slow in a way that you haven't been able to do in the past. Plus, good news, the ultra-wide lens, the 0.5, has been upgraded to higher resolution, so it will be better in low light, thankfully. Meanwhile, ever wonder what it's like to attend one of these Apple events? Well, here's the skinny. Apple invites the media to its campus where they watch the highly produced sales film in a theater, and then they are invited to a hands-on room. Here you fight valiantly to try and get up close and personal to one of the new devices for just a few seconds before someone runs over and pushes you away to bring on the next person. It's quite the scene.
Aside from that, the question everybody always says is, do I need to buy a new iPhone? Well, based on what they announced today, for most people, the answer would be no. I don't think the new improvements are that radical. If you like the latest and the greatest, then definitely pick it up. But we'll have a full review here shortly. And that's the scene from the Apple event. I can't wait to get my hands on the new iPhone and check it out for you. Review will be coming shortly. Meanwhile, from Apple Park in Cupertino, stay tuned for more episodes of PhotowalksTV. I'm Jefferson Graham. Woo!